You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this quarterback, American professional national football player for the NFL. For more names from the NFL, stay tuned. Buffalo Bills, he plays with. Josh Allen, not Allen, Josh Allen. Easy once you know Josh Allen. Josh Allen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.